Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name's Spencer Carmody from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video you're going to learn how to lead the song Jesus Paid It All by Passion with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this song. Also, in this arrangement, I'm going to use a bunch of advanced guitar chords. I'll show you everything that you need to know to play this song, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chord shapes, there's a link down in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of these advanced guitar chords that you can start using in your guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, here we are in the intro of the song, and it sounds like this. Watch out for the quick chord changes. They're just those passing G over B chords that get you sometimes. So watch for that. Other than that, it sounds like this. Verse number 1. Here we are in verse number 1, and I'm just going to play through this and the chorus. As I do that, I want you to pay attention though. I often in this song do these walk downs or walk ups from the G to the E minor or the E minor to the G, and that happens on the 2nd fret of the E string. So for example, I'll be playing a G like this. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Or I might walk up like bum, bum, bum. So just pay attention to that all throughout the song. Other than that, this is what verse number 1 sounds like and chorus number 1 sounds like. It sounds like this. I hear the Savior say, thy strength indeed is small. Child of weakness, watch and pray, find in me thine all in all. Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sin I left a crimson stain, he washed it white as snow. Into another instrumental. Here we are in instrumental number 2, and we're gonna hit it hard here because in the full band arrangement, this is like where the full band comes in. So it's like, he washed it white as snow, and then the whole band comes in there, but it's just us with an acoustic guitar, so we're just gonna come in loudly there. So instrumental 2 sounds like this, and then I'll go into verse number 2. Sounds like this. He washed it white as snow. Verse 2. Lord, now indeed I find thy power in thine alone can change the leper's spot and melt the heart of stone. So before I move on to the chorus, just a quick thing to note there. I did a little passing note again on this G. I hit the 4th fret of the D string to get down to that E minor. So it's like. Other than that, let's move into the chorus. Here we are in chorus number 2. This is a loud chorus, so we're going to be using some bigger chords here. Also, I'm going to be doing a lot of passing notes in this, and what I mean by that is I'm going to be quickly hitting either the 4th fret of the D string, which is an F sharp, or the 2nd fret of the E string, which is also an F sharp. So if you see me hit a note quickly, that's a passing chord, and just watch out for those. Now you know what I'm doing. Sounds like this. Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sin I left a crimson stain, he washed it white as snow. Into a loud instrumental. final verse. Sounds like this. Here we are in the final verse, and we're going to be nice and quiet for this. So we're going to move our chord shapes all the way up here on the neck. They'll be right here as I play it. Sounds like this. And when before the throne I stand in him complete. We're going to walk down 9th fret of the A string this time, another F sharp. Jesus died my soul to save, my lips shall still repeat. So just quickly again. And when before the throne I stand in him complete, Jesus died. Just wanted to show you that walk down again. Here is the quiet chorus. Here we are in the quiet chorus. After this, we're going to build into the bridge. So keep that in mind. We're going to just kind of repeat the last lines here of this chorus a couple times. I'm going to hit some passing notes in here as well, so pay attention to that. Sounds like this. Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sin had left a crimson stain, he washed it white as snow. Yes, he washed it white as snow. Yes, he washed it white as snow. And then we're gonna build into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge of the song, and we just hit on he washed it white as snow. We hit this G. We're gonna play a G like this and then switch up to a G suspended just by moving our pointer finger up. And just do that for the first half of this bridge, and then we're gonna switch to those chords that we always play in the instrumental section as we finish out the bridge. So all together it sounds like this. He washed it white as snow. G suspended. Nice and deep voice. Oh, praise the one who paid my day and raised this life up from the dead. Oh, praise the one who paid my day and raised this life up from the dead. Oh, praise the one who paid my day and raised this life up from the dead. Oh, praise the one who paid my day and raised this life up from the dead. And just do the instrumental again. Into a final quiet chorus. Here we are in the final quiet chorus. The chords are pretty simple. There's just one chord that I want to show you. I just kind of threw it in for fun at the end of the arrangement. It's this C minor. And then we're going to hit the G with the harmonics to resolve it. So, altogether, the final chorus sounds like this. Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sin had left a crimson stain, he washed it white as snow. Yes, he washed it white as snow. Yes, he washed it white as snow. And then you gotta smile at your church like you know you're doing something that you shouldn't be doing. Let it hang there, milk the moment. And then hit the harmonic. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Jesus Paid It All by Passion with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you liked some of those advanced guitar chord voicings that you just learned and you want to learn even more of them, I've got you covered. There's a link down in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I will show you even more of those advanced guitar chord voicings that you can implement into your own playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.